Update. So the old plates for the 509 to rmrcc's, I guess nobody wanted them silver, so I did them in black. This is black oxide. Still kind of oily, messing up my blanket. This is the full price, good to go. Has little chamfers up here and everything, so it looks better on the slide. And then these are the blems. I only have like a few of these. They still look good once they're on the gun, but they were machined a little bit in the back and in the front here. But everything else works fine, exactly the same. And they don't have this little ramp up here. This is all empty. But I think they look nicer this way. Black oxide matches up nice with the stainless. I think it's DLC or something on the slides. So it looks nice. It looks nicer than I thought it was gonna when it's all black. So there's that. Still have some of these. Might burn them a little bit to get like a gold color for a few of those, but now everything else is black, so it's on the gun broker. And then on this is the final version. Please ignore this, I had to hurt it. But this is a lightweight, I guess, collar that goes on with the turnbuckle system on Q's barrel nuts. This one's made for me for the Noveski, but the other ones that I'm making with help from Templar Precision, he's doing a lot of this, and I really love that guy now. No homo. But yeah, so we took a lot of weight off. I didn't want to take off too much because the turnbuckle, this is really a press fit. It's not gonna move. You're gonna, I hope everyone likes this. I hope anybody that buys this likes this. I'm making it so that I like it. It's super tight. So lightweight, screw holes here. These are made for M-LOK to fit in there. M-LOK should be able to fit in here too. So you should have those 4 bigger areas of M-LOK. Turnbuckle here, this looks like this. You can get the wrench in there and do what you gotta do. Q wrench. So that's that. This slides over their barrel nut, then you put the turnbuckle in there, tighten that, and that's there. And then you slide this onto there. This is my fool around version. I spray painted it. This isn't Cerakote. This isn't anything special. I'm sending the rest, the main ones, to hard coat anodize. So they should be a similar color to the Q green gray. I think it'll look really nice. I traded my Honey Badger with regret for a Sig Rattler. So I'm gonna figure out how to buy another Honey Badger. Yep. So we're gonna put this on now. Down here. Got my flashlight. Slate Black Industries, Streamlight. These, I got them off Amazon because they're super low profile. The True Folk or True something rails. 2 13 slots should fit better. Right now I have a 13 and a 9. I got another 13 coming in. Then these M-LOK M-Bus. I don't know how practical that is. Again, if I had night vision, I would totally put that on there. It's hard to do this with one hand. So hold on a second. Here we go. There it is. Slides on, you'll match it with the holes. These are the button cap screws. They stick out so they look more like the Noveski ones. That's why I went with that. But the Honey Badger ones will be countersunk and they will be flush with this plane. They will be very beautiful, I promise. They will be very beautiful. I want them to be beautiful. So this is what it looks like. It fits stuff like the Trash Panda. The Thunder Chicken, I think, is like an inch longer or something. And then honestly, if I had the half Nelson or full Nelson, I would just put those in there and slave it to this because I really like it. I'm not burning my leg anymore. I'm not running around in this, hitting it or in the bag. It really stops, doesn't stop the heat, but I mean, I tried the wraps and I didn't like the wraps. Now, I know if you're doing long distance shooting, you might want to wrap for Mirage and stuff, but this is not for that. So this is it. Thank you. So we did an update on this. They should be ready to go probably early mid next month, October. And then these are out now. I think it's cool. Get a co-witness. I don't know if you can see that. Little tiny co-witness. But better than what the other ones are. Sitting flush. Pretty good height. Apex threaded barrel. Because I got this before the tactical came out. So I like it. It's very nice. Kind of got stuff on it. Yep. So thank you. Goodbye.